What's up, data people? My name is Matthew Heffron, and welcome to Lesson 8, Dimensions and Measures. If you want to follow along, I put a link to the data source in the notes below. With that said, let's open up the Tableau public app. We'll click Microsoft Excel, Sample Superstore, and we'll click Open. Next, let's grab orders. We'll drop that in the data pane, and we'll go to Sheet 1. So by default, Tableau takes our table and breaks it into dimensions, and then we have this little line, and then these are our measures. So if I grab discount and drag it up, you can see that the dimensions are above, measures are below. So measures contain numeric values that you can perform math operations on. So let's go ahead and grab a measure. We'll grab cells, and let's drop that on text and see what happens. By default, Tableau aggregates this data up. But how do we know what this data is? That's where dimensions come into play. Dimensions I like to think of as describers. They help describe your data and they affect the level of detail. So right now we're looking at the sales amount, but let's describe this a little bit more with dimensions. We can drop in category, and now we can see that technology has the highest sales. Let's go ahead and grab subcategory and drop that on rows as well. All right. We'll grab sum of cells. I'll drop that on color, and let's change this from automatic to a square. Now we have this nice little highlight table, and we can easily see that phones had the highest cells, followed by chairs having the highest cells. So the power of data analysis really happens when we combine these dimensions, these describers, to a measure, these numerical values. This really helps us tell a story. So I hope you enjoyed today's quick lesson on dimensions and measures. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to connect with me, join our Slack community, and I'll see you in the next lesson.